Hello. For a Tech Tip Tuesday today, we are talking about the grease lines, the ones that you don't have the exactly measurements, so you buy the material and you use the reusable fittings. For the reusable fittings, we have several parts. You got your hose. This first part goes in here, just a little lubricant. If you can mark how deep it goes, it's even better. This is a left thread part. So instead of trying to screw it in, you have to unscrew it. And that will bite into the hose and it will start driving it to the point where you need it. As you can see, it's going in. Once you get the hose to this edge, you're going to try to put this piece in place. So you start this one. When the hose is inside, and you start threading, this is right hand thread, this is the proper thread, and it goes in, it will create pressure between the inside wall of this, the outside wall in this, and this will swelling, get stuck in here, and it will get solid enough to put high pressure for the grease lines in it. Because you are going to need 90 degrees or a straight angle in some of those after you have put it together. After this is all the way in with the hose connected, it will look like this. You slide the nut you are going to use and the ring in this direction. The wider part towards the inside, the narrow part towards the edge. Make sure that you have some space in here, or you can thread it into the fitting you are going to put in. Once it's finger tight in there, just back up slightly. The thickness of the material, that piece, tie down the knot, and then you will bite this ring into this shaft over here, and it will hold properly, and you will have your whole connection. You can, if you blow the hose, you can unscrew this one, get another piece of hose, and do the same again. Because you already got this one done, you don't need to do it once more. This is the option you have if you don't have exactly the measurement of the grease line, or if you are in an emergency and cannot wait for it, you can keep this one in stock in your shop and do the grease lines to the size you need. Thank you.